Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2018 Ford F-250SD XLT in Shadow Black. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, running boards, tow package, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 18,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, Sync 3 communications and entertainment center, split folding rear seats, 6.7-liter V8 turbo diesel engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6019A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.